So the situation has been stabilized by the imports that we allowed, and I expect it even to get better because most of the quantities have not come in. A few importers have brought good quantities. Yesterday, I had 50,000 metric tons of maize that docked in Mombasa. I know a few millers have already picked the maize. Some other importers are bringing in the maize. So in another few weeks, when the maize that has been mobilized from outside will be able to get into our market, the price will even get below the 180. But what I am encouraging farmers to do is to take advantage of the government program of subsidizing production and grow food. We cannot rely on support from other countries because those countries have also responsibility to feed their own citizens. And when their citizens are starved and they have no surplus or excess, they will not be able to share with us. So let us take it as our responsibility as reasonable as Kenyans, as patriotic Kenyans, to grow food for our own consumption. And this is also what you people must also do, because the responsibility of feeding Kenya is the responsibility of all Kenyans. Kenya is meant out of families. You have a family, all of you here.